Hello there and welcome to this very brief demo of some of the new features in Klaw 2.5.0. My name is Andrew Lavelle. I'm a regular contributor to the Klaw project and I'm delighted to take you through some of the really cool features that we have. Jumping straight into our demo topic, we'll see that we have a completely new and revitalized topic overview. The old topic overview is still available in the Angular view, but we have developed this really with usability and the user experience first and foremost in our minds. You'll notice a couple of really nice bits. So from top to bottom, you can see up here we have the number of environments. From the drop down, you can select which one you'd like. You've all the tabs of the different things that you're able to actually do in this view, the topic details, and then we actually have brought forward some information that previously wasn't there. So you have the cluster details, you have the cluster status. You can see this is updated every hour by default, but the administrator actually has the ability to make that a more regular event in the application.properties if they want to. The subscriptions are also brought forward and split between producers and consumers, and you can request or jump straight to the subscription tab by selecting the buttons, or you can see the number of schemas. I'm going to jump straight into see the schemas. And what we see is this new schema view that has, again, a little bit more information, and it's brought forward to make it even easier to use. So you have the ability to select the version that you want to actually look at from a dropdown, and you can go from first to last, etc. You see that this schema has not yet been promoted to the test environment. You can request a new version. You also have the version numbers, the IDs, and the compatibility information all brought forward, and the ability to browse through the schema itself. Now, if we quickly jump to our test environment, we'll see that we have not got that request a new schema button, but we do have an information message that tells you why. And that's one thing that we've really tried to do in this release, is bring that information forward to let people understand why they can and cannot do certain things. So if we skip back to our development environment and hit promote, what we can do is say, oh yeah, we want to promote the version 4, or maybe we decide that this isn't the right version. Maybe we want to go version 3, promote that, and we'll say, please approve to our approver and hit request schema promotion. That schema has now been created. You have the ability to jump straight to view request to actually see that, and you'll be taken to your My Teams request with the filter already updated by the request type to promote and the topic itself. Going back to our schemas, we can either jump straight to our subscriptions, where we can see the producers and consumers and request our new subscriptions, or we can also go through the various different tabs where you can see the messages, the actual Kafka messages going through, the README, which is renamed from documentation. And this actually now supports Markdown, which is a really nice feature. And you have a preview tab as well, which lets you see exactly what it's going to look like when you save it. So there's been a lot of really nice, neat features that we think are going to improve the user's experience. Of course, you still have your history tab, which shows you all of the create operations on this environment. And you have a settings tab, which is currently used really just to allow you to request topic deletion and provide the information again on why you're not able to actually delete it. What I'm going to go ahead and do now is go back to our topics list, and I'm going to change from the Octopus team to the Dolphin team. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to jump into our claim demo topic. So we've all the same information, but because I'm coming in to this topic that's owned by Team Octopus, I have this claim banner right here available. So obviously the promotion information is missing, which I would normally have because I only have one environment, but I can go ahead and I can create a claim topic and say, look, I would like to use this topic. Hit that request, and now you can see that it's also been updated. So if anyone else comes in and says, oh, we haven't claimed the demo topic yet, I still have the claim banner. Not anymore. There's no need. They can just simply hit the view request and they'll be taken to see that claim topic has now been created, again filtered already by claim and the claim demo topic. Day-to-day activities, managing topics as a team are now all able to be done within Coral, and we think that it gives you a much nicer and much more usable interface to do so. Of course, we've also been improving other functionality within Klaw, one of which is now the ability to go in to see your own topic in the My Team's topic requests in the old Angular view and actually edit that request if you notice something is incorrect. For instance, we don't have any advanced configuration at the moment on this editable request topic, so we're going to go ahead and add it in. So we'll go back and we'll just add that as delete, and we'll submit that. Okay, and we now can see that that update has been made. At the moment, this is only available for topic requests, but it is something that we're looking at expanding. One last cool feature I wanted to show you before we go is if you go to synchronize now as your super admin and schemas from cluster, select your environment and show all, and we now will show you if any schemas have actually been deleted from the cluster itself that are still available in Klaw. So what you can do is you can obviously remove them from Klaw, or you can simply go schemas to cluster and you can sync them back to the cluster. So in the event of a disaster recovery situation, it's very simple to then just push those schemas back into place. This has been a very brief overview of some of the key features in Klaw 2.5.0. To see all the features, improvements, and bug fixes, go to klaw-project.io and go to our release page for 2.5.0 to see everything that's involved.